ating mga alaga. Yan. Saan yung isa? Wala na. Tingnan natin kung matakaw na ba yung cutin. Yan, the cute cutin. Yan, matakaw na sila mga idol, mga guys. Ilagay natin ng plywood para maganda tingnan. Eat cat foods, and then now there's a lot of cat foods anywhere. The mother and daughter eating cat foods. Very nice, very well, very good. Yan. It's cold in the morning in the Philippines. Eating. The cute kittens. Alright guys, ito nakatapos lang nagmumukbang sila. Mukbang early in the morning, nagugutom na sila. Super takaw. Super delicious, super sarap. Wow na wow. This is my mother. And this is my daughter. Cute. Super cute. Oh. Very delicious, sarap. Takot si Meow mga guys. Parang takot na may dumating. Meron kasi mga dumadating na nangaaga ng pagkain. Hindi ko kasi pinapalo, baka masaktan ko lang mga guys. Super lamig dito in the morning mga guys, mga idol. Lisipon ako Ayan mga guys, ayan si Mrs. Umaga na in the morning. Ayan mga guys, ayun. Ayun. Dito tayo sa pusa mga guys. Huli naman na dito. Okay na mga guys, bye-bye na guys. Kasi ako'y magre-ready na at going to work every day, anywhere, any days.